ASUS ExpertBook PM3 battery and MIL-STD test. Real-world results. You ever open 47 Chrome tabs, Excel, Teams, and a VM at the same time and watch your old laptop start breathing like it just ran a marathon? I almost threw mine across the room last week. You're not dramatic, your machine is just tired. Drop your current tab count in the comments. No shame. That tight chest feeling when the fans scream, the battery icon turns red, and the client call is in 4 minutes. Sweat, panic, compromise. You don't need another fragile toy. You need something that stays ice cold and silent while chewing through your entire workload without ever making you wait. Say hello to the ASUS ExpertBook PM3, the 16-inch business weapon that actually lives up to the AI hype. AMD Ryzen AI 7350 with 50 TOPS NPU that runs Copilot, live transcription, background blur without touching battery, 32 GB LPDDR5X that laughs at 100 tab Chrome, 1 TB PCIe Express 4.0 SSD that boots in 6 seconds, Wi-Fi 7 that pulls 2.4 gigabits per second in crowded offices, proper 16:10 anti-glare screen that makes spreadsheets feel luxurious, full-size HDMI plus Ethernet plus USB-A ports, 0 dongles, MIL-STD 810H body that survives bag chaos, and a keyboard so good you'll actually enjoy. Typing reports. Real story. Ryan, a consultant, was 20 minutes from boarding a flight with a dead laptop and a presentation due on landing. Plugged the ExpertBook PM3 into the lounge charger, finished the deck at 42 tabs open, fan silent, walked on the plane at 78% battery, landed, delivered, got the contract. That calm under fire? It's now yours. IT managers are quietly replacing entire fleets because this thing just works. Reviewers are hitting 9+ hours of real Excel plus Teams battery. Remote teams report 0 lag on Wi-Fi 7 even in high-rise offices. Finance pros keep bragging about running massive models without slowdown, and thousands of road warriors swear the MIL-STD build has already saved their machine from coffee spills and gate check drops. One enterprise reviewer said, "I ran 85 tabs plus 2 VMs. Fans never spun up. This is the quietest 50 TOPS machine I've ever tested." A 150K sub-tech creator told me he ditched his MacBook because the ports alone saved me $200 in adapters and the keyboard doesn't feel like typing on glass. A verified user wrote, "Dropped it 4 feet onto concrete. 0 damage. Kept working. I'm on month 8. Still worried 16 inches is too big. It's thinner and lighter than most 15-inch gaming laptops." See why entire companies are switching? Watch every second. Tell me, what's your non-negotiable? Battery, ports, or silence? Thousands of consultants, analysts, IT pros, and remote execs have already made the ASUS ExpertBook PM3 their daily driver, because nothing else delivers real 50 TOPS AI, dead silent performance, and actual ports in a tank-tough body. If you're ready to work without ever thinking about your laptop again, come join us. Link in my bio and description. These configs sell out the second they're back in stock. Your calm, focused, ridiculous workday is waiting. Go grab it.